And welcome. So in this video I want to showcase the upcoming project for this channel. So we're going to be building a NextJs14 fully functional e-commerce website with a admin panel. So let's take a look at the website and let's see what the cool features are. So here we have the home page and we have a looping video in the background, which is really nice, and also we have these buttons and they take you in the respective category of the watches. So this is a Rolex and we go to the Rolex here, and we can also change the links for these buttons later. So this was it. Now we go back to the most selling watches. We have this nice looking component which every watch will take you to the corresponding page. Then we move down to the showcased or featured product over here, which is also dynamically set. We can go here, we can go to the admin panel and we go on products. Here we can set it whatever we want. We can just click that star over here and the product is gonna be featured. So, and it's gonna take you, well, to the corresponding link of the product. And I have not many products in the website because this is just a showcase website, so the links are just hard-coded and many of these are just hard-coded over here. But we can make all of that dynamic if we wanted to. It takes us maybe a few minutes to set that up because the code is all working and all set up. So let's move down. We have this nice little gallery over here with the cool effects. And we have this feature with this section over here which showcases another product, this trust section over here. Then we have the reviews which we can scroll, and then we have the newsletter section and the footer. So let's take a look at this in mobile view. So in mobile it is looking absolutely stunning, and in my opinion better than on desktop, because I went ahead and I did it mobile first. I know it is very important to have a good looking website on mobile. Most sales come from mobile nowadays, so here it is. All the sections, the gallery also working. These two are vertical now, or this section and this section. And now the reviews with the Trustpilot and the footer and everything else. So let's go now and take a look at the nav bar over here. So we have a hot search, so we can say, for example, and you can see that everything is changing in real life, or we can say here date just, all right, or Daytona, and everything has a hot search. All right, so as we are typing each character, it is going to look through the title and it's going to give us that product. So we have the hot search over here, then we have the product links. That's going to take us to the product page, which looks absolutely stunning, and we will take a look at this in a second. Then we have the admin panel over here too. Then we have our cart over here on mobile. This is how it looks. The cart looks absolutely amazing. We can add and we can add more items from the same one with the same ID but just the quantity, which many stores don't have this feature, but this website has every feature out there that you can think of in an e-commerce site, and it's absolutely fully coded, fully customizable, and the good thing is it's fully free. All right, you can just buy a name for your website for $15 a year and you can start selling from 10 orders to 1,000,000 orders. This site has it all. So this is the cart over here. We can also delete the products as a whole. If you have 10 products, you can just delete it like that. You can clear the cart and you can go to checkout. We will do that in a moment. Here we have the profile. We will check that out now. So let's go back to desktop first. Let's check out the product page. Here we have in the nav bar, if you just hover over these panels, they will just show like this, which is very cool. I went ahead and I did this so we don't have to click. It is all interactive, feels way better like this. So now this is the products page. All right, here we have a nice design, not too many buttons, not too many colors, just like in the well, big websites or the well-known websites, we can select through brands. Here we have one, and if we don't have, it's gonna fail to fetch. Or you can just add whatever you want here. Say the products are all sold out or something. You can customize that message. And also this showcases our error handling. We have really good error handling. We are showing the errors inside the client also and the console. All right, we don't want to just show them in the console over here. All right, because that is only for developers. We want the users to know what the problem is as well. And I will show it to you here too in the login when we're going to the login. So let's finish up the products page over here. We can also wishlist products and add them to the cart. As you can see, it dynamically adjusts. All right, add multiple products over here. Oops, sorry. Add all of them. We have pagination with pages, and we also can see the cart here on desktop. It looks amazing. It has animation. Everything in the site has animations, and it's absolutely looking stunning. So this is it. Here you can clear the cart or go to checkout. Now let's check out the product details page. So this is the product details page. You can add better pictures. Of course, these are only dummy pictures. That's why they're not clear and everything. I just took them from the internet very fast. So here we have the name, the price, how much off it is, and if it is on stock. We have a description section here, the reviews and verified product over here. We can also wishlist it and add it to cart from this page. If we go down, we have this details page over here, or section, sorry, what the watch is all about, and you can customize, add more of these. You can do whatever you want with this website. Everything is fully customizable. You can change every color, every width, everything. You can change the color of this button, everything. Make one red, make one blue, whatever you want. The page is fully coded from the ground up. I didn't take components from any other website. It's all fully customized and coded from scratch. So here we have this section over here, which is really nice, and we have the reviews. So if a user checks out and buys a product, they can also leave a review here, and I will showcase that in a second. So now let's go to the next section over here. We have this accordion with a few questions, and we have this section over here too, and the footer, of course. So now let's go to the next one. Let's go to the blog. So this is our blog page. You can add more blog posts over here. You can read them all. All right, this is fully working. Let's see how this looks on mobile, because this is fully functional and working on mobile. And also you will add better images over here so they fit your product. I just took them, I didn't edit them, that's why the corp is not good. So we have this one, we have add to cart, checkout, this section. Everything is vertical now. It's looking absolutely amazing on mobile, which is very important because most sales are gonna come from mobile. And also that. Now I want to showcase also the hot search on desktop, or the same. So the hot search on desktop, it's absolutely amazing. All right. And now for something else, here we have one product. If we go and click on anything over here, we get taken to that product, which is fully working and functional. Let's go to the blog. Let's see how this looks in mobile. Absolutely amazing as always. Easy to read, nice sleek design. And here is the individual blog post, as we can see. And now let's go back to the navbar, contacts. This is the contact section on mobile. I don't want to waste too much time because these are just easy sections. Anybody can create them. It's not that hard, all right? But the real beauty of this is the admin panel. So we have two websites or two applications in one, basically. So the admin panel, we can create a product. We can just add like a Rolex test, upload our images, and these images 1, 2, 3, for example, open, and we can click on done. We have these 3 images, or we can add more images if we want. Let's add some more images. So we test the whole functionality, done. And let's add one more. So let's say this one. All right, and we don't like one of these. So we don't like this one, right? We click on the X, it absolutely disappears. And these images are all hosted on Cloudinary. They're hosted in the cloud. They're not something that you store inside the website or something and you lose it. They're all stored in the cloud, and I will teach you how to implement that as well. So now we can just submit this product. It is now created. Let's go back here, and here is our product, right? Here we have it with the 4 images. So this is how easy it's done. Now we can go on orders. We can see all the orders that went into the store. We have pagination. We can see which user ordered what is the address, so we can ship it to him. So now we can see if the user has paid. If it is pending, the user has not paid, and we are not shipping this order. If the user has paid, then we say processing, and if the user, and after the product has landed to the user, we can mark it as delivered. All right, so let's mark as delivered this one, and well, the others are not paid. We're not going to do that. So now let's go back to our admin panel. We can see the products over here. Here we can set the featured product. All right, here this one is featured. We can make this one featured, and it will change the featured product in the home page. We can make it featured back again, and we have the little star over here. And we can also edit a product. If we want to edit a product, we can just go ahead and click that, and we can remove images, and let's say Rolex updated. All right, and we can change anything over here, and we can add more images if you want. So we can add this one. So we can add more images, leave the ones that are there, and we can update or delete the product. And here it says Rolex updated, and if we go to the models over here, we click on it. Here we have the 3 images that we just did. So everything is interactable. The admin panel is absolutely amazing in this website. You have full functionality, everything that you need, that I could think of that you will need to make it work, or to, well, run a successful e-commerce store fully for free. You don't need to pay anything monthly. This is fully free. This is the beauty of it, right? So let's go now to the admin panel is done. We can go now to the profile. So this is the profile, and this is how it looks also on mobile. Everything is mobile friendly, mind you. We can check the orders. What orders have we done? And if we are not logged in and we create an order with this email, and then later we create an account, we will have all the orders that we did with that email here. So people will will make an order, and then they want to track that order, and then they create an account with that email, and then the orders are here. I know many big stores don't have this feature, but I integrated it, so we have full functionality. So now we have a loader over there, and here we can see the order. All right, we can see our order status is pending. We have not paid it yet. And if we go back, not to log in, if we go back here to orders delivered, we can go here. It says delivered. All right, let's go back. Let's click on this one. So its status is paid or delivered. We have received the item, and we want to leave a review. So we have a 5-star review here. This is also dynamic. Let's go and check it out. So we have a review here. Let's edit it. Let's say this watch is edited. All right, so let's update it, and here we can see we have 1 review. Let's edit the stars. We can say 1 star. All right, down, and here we can say, then we can refresh it. All right, 4. So everything is dynamically rendered. All right, and if we have like 100 reviews, this is going to be like 4.2, 4.5, or whatever the average is. So verified purchase, the name, the profile, and everything here. Also reviews, we have that too. I know a lot of stores don't have that, but I integrated that. We can edit the profile, we can save changes, and this is also saved on the Next.js session. So this is all dynamic. It is saved on the Next.js session, and also the next auth session, and also in our database. We have the wish list over here, a nice loader, and then we have our items. We can add them to cart. Alright, we can remove it like that, and if we refresh, our cart is gonna be just like that. So I went ahead and I added more features. I added the change password feature if you have an account. If you're logged in with Google, it will tell you you cannot change the password because you're logged in with Google. So, and also we can opt in to receive order updates or receive emails. We can save the changes. This is updated in our database also. And if we go back, the preferences are saved. We can terminate, close our account. And now let's test this one out. Close account. Okay, account has been closed and we are logged out. You can see that. So now we can go ahead and log in with Google or create an account. Let's first create an account. This is the login page, and it absolutely looks amazing on mobile as well. Everything is mobile friendly. As you can see, now we can say test 1.1, test 1.1. Sign up, creating the account now, and we are logged in. We can log out and log back in. So test 1.1. Let's give in a false password, invalid. So we have real-time error handling, now the real password, and we are logged in. So profile, orders, we have our orders back. Even though we deleted our account, our orders always stay, so we don't lose any user information. All right, now we can go ahead and log in with Google too. So we have signed in with Google and we're signed in. We can log out back, sign in with Google. All right, we have already a Google account. We can just sign in, log out, log in. We can do whatever we want. So we can also, so let's make some orders, right? Let's delete all of these. Sorry, I didn't want to click that. So let's say we have all of those items, right? Let's log in with our test 11 account, sign in. All right, we are not an admin anymore. So you can see, because we deleted the account, we're not an admin anymore. We can proceed to checkout, but we need an admin account for it to see the full functionality. So Google automatically logs us in after we created a profile with it. So we can just do this now. We can just proceed to checkout, and this is the checkout page. And also in mobile it looks amazing as well. So it actually is mobile first, so on mobile it looks better. Of course, that is the main focus. So if we are logged in, we cannot change the email. And now we say test 4. So we proceed to checkout. All right, and now if we don't pay this, all right, we can go back, and this is our payment canceled, continue shopping. We can go in our profile orders over here. We have the status pending. You see, the status is pending, and we can see that we didn't complete this. So let's complete it, and let's see how this looks. Proceed to checkout. And let's give our test 11. Let's give our dummy Stripe card. This is the testing card from Stripe. Test 11, we are paying it. Here we can also see what we are buying. This is very important in the Stripe hosted checkout. Continue shopping. Now that order is paid and that order is made. So now we can go on orders and we can see that processing, paid, and it is processing. So now if we were an admin, we would go to the orders and we would see processing, and we can see that it came from this email, this city, this address, and what he bought and how many he bought. So 4 pieces, one piece. And after the order is shipped, we can mark as pending, we can go back to our profile, we can check the orders delivered, view the order, and we can go to one of the products and we can now leave a new review. So 5, write something absolutely dynamic. Now the review is gonna be here after we refresh the page. Here it is. So here we go. Now what is there else to show? Clear the cart, that works as well. The checkout is fully working with Stripe webhooks and everything. So I think this was it. In a fast rundown of the website, it has absolutely everything, hot searches, and whatever you can think of. Or design, whatever you can think of, yeah. And every section is reusable and customizable, so I don't know. So yeah. If you want me to post the whole code and the whole guide, I know it's gonna be like 40 hours of video content on how to build all this in Next.js, or like 35 hours of video content. Leave a like in the video, and after, if this video gets 500 likes, or like 300, 500 likes or something, I will post the whole course in this channel. So see you, I hope it gets it in a week or something, I don't know. So see you then.